A video has emerged online, revealing the neglected and overgrown state of the final resting place of the late Nollywood actor, Murphy Afolabi. The person who recorded the video expressed their disappointment, pointing out the unkempt surroundings at the actor's gravesite. The video has sparked reactions from netizens. Some have offered to contribute money to clean up the area, while others question why the actor's family hasn't taken responsibility for its upkeep. Furthermore, some individuals have raised concerns about the financial and movie legacy Murphy Afolabi left behind prior to his passing.
Murphy Afolabi inú gbowó tún rówó ṣe anything for tó sí mọ́fíìsì. Popular actress Murphy Afolabi will toss Murphy's pẹ̀lú bó ṣe lówó tó ṣe ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ tó inú gbowó tún rówó ṣe anything for tó sí Murphy's.